Friends, today we will discuss about matter, mass, volume and density. This is a very important topic because a lot of science concepts depend on them. I hope this video will make it easier for you to understand these terms. Let's find out what matter is. Everything that exists around us is made up of a substance, and that substance is called matter. Matter itself is made up of tiny particles which we call atoms. Atom is the smallest part of matter. It is referred to as the basic unit of matter. We have many examples of matter like trees, mountains, oceans, animals, cars, buildings, earth and moon, etc. Everything we see around us is made up of matter. Let's see the exact definition of matter. Anything that takes up space and can be waved is called matter. Next term is mass. Let's see what it is. It refers to the total amount of matter present in an object. Mass of an object always remains constant. It does not change no matter where that object is in the universe. It will have the same mass. So it does not matter if you are close to the earth or away from the earth, your mass will always be the same, but your weight will be keep changing. Let's see the definition of mass. The total amount of matter found in an object is called the mass of that object. It is the measure of matter in a particular object. Now we will discuss about the units of mass. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. There are other popular units like gram, milligram, pound, etc. Now we have some conversions of mass, and we should remember these conversions because whenever we will do math problems of mass, volume and density, we will need these conversions. They are very important. Let's do some examples. In the first example, we have to convert 10 pound into kilogram. In the second question, we have to convert 3 kilogram to pound. And in the third question, we have to convert 20,000 milligram to gram. We will do maybe 1 or 2 questions. Before we do, let me explain these conversions. Whenever you want to convert kilogram into gram, you have to multiply it by 1000. Whenever you are converting larger units like kilogram into smaller units like gram, then you have to multiply by 1000. But when you want to convert gram into kilogram, so gram is the smaller unit and you want to convert into larger unit like kilogram, in this case you have to divide by 1000. Other conversion, 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So whenever you want to convert gram into milligram from larger unit to a smaller unit, in this case you have to multiply it by 1000. But if you want to convert milligram into gram, then you have to divide, because you are converting a smaller unit into the larger unit. And in this example, you want to convert kilogram into pound. So you want to go from larger unit to a smaller unit. In this case, you have to multiply it by 2.204. But if you want to convert from pound to kilogram, then you have to divide by 2.204. And in this example, if you want to convert pound into kilogram, so remember, pound is the smaller unit and kilogram is the larger unit. So the relation between pound and kilogram is 0.4535. So you have to divide by 0.4535. But if you want to go back from larger unit to smaller unit, like from kilogram to pound, in this case you have to multiply it by 0.4535. Let's do the question number 1. We have to convert 10 pound to kilogram. So what is the relation between pound and kilogram is 1 pound is, you can see from here, 1 pound is equal to 0.4535 kilogram. And you have to calculate about 10 pounds. So 10 times 0.4535, and whenever you multiply any number by 10, and if there is a decimal, that decimal will shift after one digit, so it will be 4.535 kg. So you can say 10 pound is equal to 4.535 kilogram. That is the answer. Our next term is volume. What is volume is? Volume refers to the space an object takes up. It is used to measure the size of an object. We use different formula to calculate the volume of an object. So formula of volume depends upon the shape of the object. For circular shape we use different formula. For cylindrical shape we use the different formula. And for rectangular or cubical shapes we use this formula. Volume is equal to length times width times height. Solid and liquid bodies are non-compressible, that is why their volume remains constant. Gases do not have constant volumes because they are compressible. Solid bodies have constant shapes, but liquids and gases change their shapes according to the vessel in which they are contained. The SI unit of volume is cubic meter. Other popular units are cubic centimeter, cubic feet, milliliter, liter, etc. And some important conversions for mass is 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 milliliter and 1 cubic meter is equal to 1 million cubic centimeter. So remember, whenever you want to convert meter cube into liter, you have to multiply by 1000. And whenever you want to convert liter into meter cube, then you have to divide by 1000. Here 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So whenever you want to convert liter into milliliter, then you have to multiply it by 1000. But if you want to convert milliliter into liter, then you have to divide by 1000. And the rule is, whenever you are converting larger unit into smaller unit, you have to multiply. Whenever you are converting a smaller unit into larger unit like liter, you have to divide. Meter cube and centimeter cube, they are equal in quantity. So just remember this. And 1 cubic meter is equal to 1 million cubic centimeter. Let's do some questions here. I'm going to perform the first question here. So we have to convert 3000 liter into meter cube. And what is the relation is? The relation is 1000 liter, you can see this relation here, is equal to 1 cubic meter. So what will be the value of 3000 liter? So 3000 liter will be 3 times 1 meter cube. It will be 3 meter cube or 3 cubic meter. That is the answer. Our next term is density. What is density? Let's see. Density is the ratio of how much mass is an object compared to the volume of that object. And the exact definition is, density is the amount of mass present in a unit volume of an object. We can also say density is the ratio of mass and volume. To calculate the formula, to calculate the value of density, we use the following formula. Density is equal to mass upon volume, or D is equal to M over V. So density is calculated by dividing an object's mass by its volume. The SI unit of density is cubic meter, kilogram per cubic meter cube. Other units are gram per cubic centimeter, pound per foot cube, gram per milliliter, kilogram per liter, etc. Important conversions are 1 gram per cubic centimeter is equal to 1 gram per milliliter, and 1 gram per milliliter is equal to 1 kilogram per liter, and 1 kilogram per liter is equal to 62.428 pound per cubic foot, and this is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. Let's do some questions here. For example, we have to convert 15 gram cubic centimeter to kilogram per cubic meter. So we have to find out the relation. What is the relation is? The relation is 1 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 1000 kg per cubic meter, and we have to find out about 15 gram. If you know 1 gram is equal to that much kg per meter cube, then 15 gram per cubic centimeter will be 15 times 1000 kg per meter cube, and it will be 50 kg per cubic meter. Please watch the second part of the video for density, mass and volumes maths problem. If you like this video, kindly like and subscribe to my channel Mathoscience. Please don't forget to watch the second part of this video, which covers the numerical questions of mass, volume and density. Thank you.